In today's quick and short tutorial, I'll show you how to update Android Auto on your Android phone. Go ahead and open up your phone settings. Scroll down to your apps and load up your phone's app list. When the app list loads, open up Android Auto. Once the Android Auto settings load, click on Force Stop and confirm it. Now open up the storage usage. Inside storage usage, clear the cache. Then select Clear Data. When your phone asks you to confirm, click OK. The next step is to head back to your home screen and open up the Play Store app. Once inside the Play Store, click on your profile icon in the top right to open up your account and setting options. Click on Manage Apps and Devices, then open the available updates. If there is an update available for Android Auto, update it before moving on to the next step. The last step is to power cycle your device. To do this, hold your power button and volume down button together. Your power options will appear, but just keep holding until your screen goes black. Do not let go until your phone's brand name comes onto the screen.